Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook sound not working problem. Let's see how to solve it. For solving this problem, first of all open your Facebook app. Tap on three dot icon in the top left corner. Tap on setting and privacy. Again tap on settings. Scroll down. Here you can see media option. Tap on media. Scroll down. And here you can see restart with sound option. Enable this option. By this way you can easily solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you everyone.
Dapat si Jerry na physical tech.